Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by BricsCAD Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. BricsCAD are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to make your measurements easier and more accurate in Bluebeam Revu. The most important thing to remember about measurement tools is that they are just markup tools like any other in Revu. All of the additional functionality that can be applied to markups like customizing tools, creating tool sets, tracking in the markups list, and applying layers, can be applied to measurement markups as well. There are a few settings in Revu that can make your measurements easier and more accurate. The first are the snap options. By default, measurements have the snap to content option turned on. This allows your measurements to connect directly to the underlying PDF content of a document. This means that you can match points and lines shown by a square crosshair on your document to the measurements that you are creating, providing a truly accurate measurement. Snap to content requires vector-based content. You will not be able to snap to content on scanned PDFs. You can easily tell if a document is scanned by zooming in on your drawing. If it loses its crisp lines and becomes pixelated, it is scanned. For quick access to this option, click the Measurements drop-down menu in the Measurements panel. From here there are a couple of options, including Snap to Content and Snap to Orthogonal. Snap to Orthogonal restricts measurements to major angles in 45-degree increments. This can be temporarily enabled by holding down the Shift key when drawing out a measurement. While not as directly useful as Snap to Content, the other snap options, Snap to Grid and Snap to Markup, can also make your measurements more effective. These will allow you to snap measurements to markups, or a grid overlay on your content. All snap options can be activated from the View menu in the menu bar. If you want to have these snap options on by default for all drawings, you can do so in Preferences. From the menu bar, go to Review. Select Preferences. Then select the Grid and Snap tab. Make sure Snap to Content, or any other snaps are checked, and these snaps will be available when using markups. We recommend that you keep the snaps turned on for the most accurate measurements possible. But you can certainly turn them off if it better meets your needs. When Snap to Content is turned on in your preferences, this will gray it out in your measurement options as you can't change it. Now that you're familiar with all the snap options, you can go ahead and get the most out of your Revu experience. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.bricscad.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at BricsCAD welcome your feedback to help us to improve.